everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it has been a long time. Today I'm going to show you how to make a marble run. Oh, let's get started. Tools you'll be needing is cardboard, scissors and a ball and tape. You take the scissors and cut it carefully, the whole thing. Cutting with the whole thing. Next part is you take this one and fold it. But what do? Do the same thing as this, but it has to be the same size. I'm doing both of them. You take them both and join them. If it's a bit small, it's fine, but it should look something like this. Now, next part, you again, after you're done cutting that, replace it like 1 second. You have to put it like this. It has to be standing. That's how it goes. As you did it, make it as long as you like it, but you have to have the cardboard. Making this is how it looks like. Shall we try it out? Place the ball here. How is it? Good? Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week. Bye.